Welcome, creative soul, to the amazing world of eye makeup. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for fresh inspiration, you're in the right place. Here, we celebrate every brushstroke and every bold idea. Your eyes are a blank canvas, ready for color and sparkle. Imagine all the possibilities, soft and subtle, bright and bold, or anything in between. This isn't just about looking pretty, it's about expressing yourself and having fun. Eye makeup lets you show the world your mood, your creativity, and your unique personality. Think of your makeup brushes as your sculpting tools, shaping and defining your unique vision. Each brushstroke is a chance to experiment and discover what you love. Eye makeup is your playground to experiment with shades and styles for any mood or occasion. There are no limits, just endless combinations to try. This guide is your friendly map to creativity. We'll walk through each step together. No need to feel lost or overwhelmed. We're here to make it simple and enjoyable. You don't need to be a pro, just bring curiosity and a willingness to try. Every expert started as a beginner, and every mistake is a step toward mastery. We'll cover the basic tools, prepping your eyes, and simple tricks to make everything easy. You'll learn how to set the perfect base for any look. You'll learn to blend colors, draw a simple line, and see how mascara transforms your look. Each technique will help you build confidence and skill. Every step is a victory, and every new look is a masterpiece in the making. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Forget perfection. Embrace learning and discovery. Sometimes the best looks come from happy accidents and playful experiments. This is your time to play with colors, textures, and shapes. Let your imagination run wild and see where it takes you. Get your tools ready and prepare to see yourself in a whole new light. You're about to unlock a world of creativity and self-expression. Let the claymation magic begin. Your eye makeup adventure starts now. Let's dive in together. Before we start, let's gather our essential tools. Your artist's starter kit. Think of this as assembling your creative toolbox, where each item will help you unlock new skills and express your unique style. You'll need an eye primer to help your eyeshadow stay vibrant and crease-free. This step is often overlooked, but it's the secret to making your colors last all day and preventing smudging or fading, especially if you have oily eyelids or long days ahead. A basic eyeshadow palette with neutral shades like browns and beiges is perfect for beginners. These colors are versatile, easy to blend, and work for almost any occasion, from a natural daytime look to something a bit more dramatic at night. For brushes, start with a flat shader brush for applying color, a fluffy blending brush for softening edges, and a small pencil brush for details. These three are all you need to create endless looks, from simple washes of color to more defined, artistic effects. Pencil eyeliner in black or brown is easy to control and great for defining your eyes. It's forgiving for beginners, allowing you to smudge for a softer look or sharpen for crisp lines, depending on your mood. As you get comfortable, you can try liquid or gel liners for more drama. These formulas let you experiment with bold wings, graphic lines, or even colorful accents as your confidence grows. Mascara is the finishing touch. Choose a simple black or brown formula to make your lashes pop. It instantly opens up your eyes and ties your whole look together, making even the simplest makeup feel complete. You don't need anything fancy, just these basics will set you up for success. With the right essentials, you can achieve a polished look without feeling overwhelmed by too many choices. With primer, a neutral palette, a few brushes, pencil eyeliner, and mascara, you're ready to begin. This simple kit is all you need to start practicing and building your skills. Your toolkit is simple, but powerful. Each item is chosen for its versatility and ability to help you create a wide range of looks, no matter your experience level. Each tool has a purpose, making your creative process smooth and enjoyable. As you get to know them, you'll discover new ways to use each one and develop your own techniques. Gather your essentials and let's get started. Having everything within reach will make your practice sessions more fun and efficient. Your canvas awaits your artistic touch. Let's dive in and start creating something beautiful together. Every masterpiece starts with a well-prepped canvas. So let's get your eyelids ready. Cleanse your face and gently moisturize around your eyes for a smooth base. Apply a tiny dot of eye primer to your lids, patting it in gently. This creates a base that grips eyeshadow and keeps colors fresh all day. Set the primer with a light layer of skin-toned eyeshadow or translucent powder. This step smooths the surface and helps with blending later. Think of it as priming your stage for the show. Prepping may seem small, but it makes a big difference in how your makeup looks and lasts. Now your canvas is ready for color. Let's start the fun part. With your canvas prepped, it's time to play with color. Start with a light neutral shade all over your lid using your flat brush. Add depth by blending a medium brown into your crease with a fluffy brush. For more drama, darken the outer corner with a deeper brown, blending softly. Create a gradient from light to dark for a natural sculpted look. Add a touch of shimmer to the center of your lid and inner corner for brightness. Use your fingertip or a clean brush for the shimmer. Blending is key. Soft edges make everything look seamless. This simple routine enhances your eyes and works for any occasion. Experiment with placement and intensity to suit your style. You've just sculpted a beautiful eyeshadow look. Ready for the next step? Eyeliner defines your eyes and adds instant drama. For beginners, use a sharpened pencil liner in black or brown. Rest your elbow on a table for a steady hand. Apply liner using small dashes along your upper lash line, connecting them for a smooth look. Smudge gently with a brush or cotton swab for a softer effect. Don't stress about perfection. A smudged line is stylish and forgiving. Want a wing? Draw a short flick from the outer corner, then connect it back to your lash line and fill in. Practice different thicknesses and shapes to find what flatters you. Eyeliner is about enhancing your eyes, not achieving symmetry. Experiment and have fun with it. Each try builds your confidence and skill. Let's finish with mascara. Mascara is the final touch that brings your eye look to life. Curl your lashes for extra lift, then apply mascara from root to tip with a wiggling motion. 1 or 2 coats are enough for volume and length. Use the tip of the wand for your lower lashes, just a light coat. If you smudge, let it dry and gently remove with a cotton swab. For all-day wear, finish with a light mist of setting spray. This locks in your look and keeps it fresh. Your eye makeup is now complete and ready to shine. Show off your creation with confidence. You've mastered the basics. You've learned the basics. Now you're ready to take your first steps into the colorful world of makeup. Now it's time to practice and play. Don't be afraid to get creative and try things you've never done before. Don't worry if your first looks aren't perfect. Everyone starts somewhere and every artist makes mistakes. Every attempt helps you improve, building your skills and confidence with each try. Set aside time to experiment with colors and techniques. Explore different brushes, sponges, and tools to see what works best for you. Try blending shimmers over mattes or layering different textures for a unique effect. Add a pop of color to your lower lash line or experiment with bold shades you've never worn before. Embrace happy accidents. They often lead to creative discoveries and new favorite looks. If you make a mistake, blend it out gently or use a clean brush to soften the edges. Or layer another shade on top to create something totally new and unexpected. The goal is confidence, not perfection. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. As you grow, try new styles and challenge yourself with different trends or techniques. Adapt them to your unique features. There are no rules, just endless possibilities for self-expression. Do what makes you feel good. Makeup is self-expression, a way to show the world who you are. It's also a celebration of your beauty and creativity. Enjoy the process and don't rush. Be proud of every look you create, whether it's simple or bold. Keep practicing, keep playing, and let your creativity shine brighter each time you pick up a brush. The world is your canvas. Make it colorful, make it yours, and most importantly, have fun.